Welcome, Brennan Bears. I'm Jordan.
And I'm Skylar, reporting from the BTV studio.
Today is Friday, October 11th, 2019.
Bears, be here to earn a perfect attendance ribbon awarded every 2 weeks. I'm pretty sure that I'm going to get one. Congratulations to the 487 students who earned a ribbon. But wait, there's more. You'll also be in the running for a $5 gift card. 50 lucky students will get these every 4th week of the 6 weeks. Also, for 6 weeks perfect attendance, 10 students qualify for $10 gift cards. Cards will be handed out during lunch. Listen up, your name may be called.
Next Wednesday, the entire campus will be in test mode with PSAT and SAT testing, which includes seniors. All students will need a photo ID, such as your school ID, and there will be no off-campus lunch permitted. Be sure to eat a good breakfast and be early as testing begins at 9 a.m. For those taking the PSAT NMSQ test, do your best to earn a Merit Scholar designation, which qualifies you for a $2,500 scholarship.
That's a lot of money. For seniors who did not sign up for the SAT, you will participate in career explorations, which include the military branches, career and technology, Milan and Universal Technical Institute, fire and police, culinary school, and you will learn more about the FAFSA.
Attention Bears! Bowling tryouts for the upcoming season were yesterday. If you did not make it, you still have another chance on Sunday from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Tryouts are $15, and if you pay the bowling alley when you get there, you'll be fine. For more information, contact Mr. Silva in C217.
JROTC will hold its annual blood drive October 23rd. You can sign up in the cafeteria during your lunch period. Donating blood will take 1 class period. Sign up ends October 18th. For more information, contact a JROTC cadet or see them in the cafeteria.
Brennan's Dance and Cheer will host the annual clinic for pre-K through high school students on October 19th from noon to 3 p.m. The clinic fee of $35 includes a t-shirt, snack, and a ticket to the varsity football game against Clark, for participants over the age of 4 only. Participants should wear comfortable clothes, and a permission form must be signed by a parent or legal guardian. For more information, call Miss Brock or Miss Ryan at 210-398-1365 or contact a Brennan Dance drill team member.
Brennan ambassadors are still looking for any gently used outfits that might make someone's formal event a much more delightful experience. They have partnered with a fellow Northside High School to help make their homecoming a great one for their student population. The ambassadors' leadership team's deadline for participating is October 24th. For more information, see Mr. Lopez in A204.
NHS is also giving service hours to those who donate clothes. Dresses, dress shirts, pants, or a pair of shoes will be counted as 1 hour. Accessories like belts and jewelry will be counted as half an hour.
Tuesday at Paul Taylor Gym, our Lady Bears volleyball team dropped the first set to Taft, 25-19. But they came back to take the next set, 25-10, the third set, 25-16, and held on in the fourth set to win 25-20. Way to go, Lady Bears, on your overall win. Let's get out and support them tonight as they take on Brandeis at the Northside Sports Gym at 6 p.m. Take a look at some highlights from Tuesday's game.
Today is Declaration of Respect Day, and you can sign a pledge with counselors during the lunch periods. Sign up and show respect. Take a look at some of our students who signed up last year.
When there is love, I can't wait to talk about it when things get rough. I like to walk with you when it's night. I like to be the light that's missing and remind you every minute of the future isn't written, not yet. When there is love, when the heart feels heavy, we can lighten it up. If you've had enough, well, you can empty your glass and we can fill it back up. You know it's up to us to make it all up. So what you making up, I can make it up. That you could be loved no
Last night, many of you dressed out with your pink out shirts at fairs and cheered on our varsity Bears, who ended the first half 12-6 against Marshall. In the third quarter, they added another 21 points to win 33-6 in the featured game on CW 35's Thursday Night Lights. Take a look at some of the highlights.
This time we'd like to direct your attention to the south end zone. We have special groups of athletes joining us tonight, and we would like to recognize them at this time. Please welcome them as they enter the field. Pass completion to Rashad Blair.
Well, this is all we have for today, and don't forget to follow us on Twitter at BTV Bears, and if you missed any part of this broadcast, catch us on YouTube by searching for BTV Bears.
We also have a link on the Brennan website, and if you have any announcements for us, please use the form on the website or email Mr. Cerna.
I'm Jordan, signing off from BTV.
And I'm Skylar. Have a great day, Bears.
BTV, 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 BTV.